Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make a stunning moving graph video right in Canva, even if you've never touched video design before. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to turn your data into an eye-catching animated visual, perfect for presentations, social media posts, or even your next YouTube project. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, hop on over to Canva and log in if you haven't already. Canva is a fantastic tool because it's accessible, beginner-friendly, and you don't need any complicated software installations. Once you're in, locate the Create a Design button. It's usually in the upper right corner, nice and prominent. Go ahead and give that a click. Next, let's set up the perfect canvas for our moving graph. When the size selection comes up, choose the custom size option. Now this is important, set your dimensions to 100 by 50 pixels. It might seem a bit small, but for our animated graph, this gives us a sleek, compact format that's great for embedding into other videos or sharing online. Type in 100 for the width and 50 for the height, then hit Create New Design. Canva will pop open a fresh, blank canvas just for you. Now that our workspace is ready, let's add the main visual element, a chart. On the left-hand side, look for the Elements tab, search for Chart, and drag a chart onto your canvas. You can choose the style you prefer, but for this demo, a classic bar chart works perfectly. Adjust the data a bit if you want, so it makes sense for the story you're trying to tell. Remember, you don't have to use real data here while you practice. Alright, once your chart is on the canvas, we want to draw extra attention to one particular bar. To do that, go back to the Elements panel and select the rectangle shape. Place it neatly over one of the bars in your chart. Don't worry if it takes a few tries to get it aligned just right, it doesn't need to be perfect. Now with the rectangle selected, head up to the color options and change it to white. Think of the white rectangle like a spotlight. It's highlighting that specific bar, making it instantly stand out from the rest. Now comes the fun part, animating the graph. Click directly on that white rectangle shape to select it, and you'll notice a little Animate button or option appear above the canvas. Go ahead and click that. This will open up Canva's animation panel, giving you loads of ways to bring your graphic to life. For this example, we're aiming for a simple, clean movement, so let's choose an upward animation. Remember, animation in design is a lot like choreography in dance. It's all about guiding the viewer's attention smoothly. To apply the animation, hold down the Shift key, and while still holding it, click and drag the white rectangle upward. This tells Canva where you want the animation to start and finish. Don't stress if it doesn't look perfect at first, just nudge it until the movement feels right. Now it's time for the best part, seeing your work in action. Hit the play icon to preview your moving graph. Watch as the white rectangle glides upward, turning your static chart into a dynamic, engaging visual. Don't worry if it looks a little jittery, experiment with animation speed or direction until it feels just how you want. And that's it, you've created your first moving graph video in Canva. You can export this animation as a video or GIF, ready to drop into slides, posts, or anywhere you want to impress with data that actually moves. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and leave a comment below if you have any questions or want to see more Canva tricks. And of course, make sure you subscribe so you never miss a new tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.